भिजवाते हैं।
अम्मा हम चाय नहीं पियेंगे, एक पेप्सी मंगवा दीजिए।
द समाज दैट वी लिव इन चाहता है कि आप एक सर्टेन वे में बिहेव करें सर्टेन सिचुएशंस में। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर विदाई हो रही है तो यू नीड टू क्राई फॉर द कैमरा। इफ यू आर सैड स्टिल पुट ऑन अ हैप्पी फेस फॉर द एंटायर वर्ल्ड। कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं जिसको ब्लाइंडली आपको फॉलो करना है विदाउट एनी रीजनिंग बिहाइंड इट। ये रूल्स फिक्स्ड। आई पर्सनली फेल्ट इट एंड आई एम श्योर यू टू हैव। प्रश्न उठता है कि समाज आदमी के लिए बना है या आदमी समाज? पगलैट मीन्स पागल, एंड recent times में सानंद वर्मा सक्सेना जी फ्रॉम द हिट शो personifies the word. Irony ये है कि he is crazy but the smartest character on the show. Paglat is a 2021 Indian Hindi language dark comedy drama film written and directed by Umesh Bisht. एक सेकेंड, ये डार्क कॉमेडी क्या है? Dark comedy is a genre of comedy when you make fun of topics that is generally considered taboo, particularly subjects that are normally considered serious or painful to discuss. Typical your बच्चे से बात नहीं करते वो वाली topics. Shanti Kuch का कुलदीपक आस्तिक is no more, and in the morning house everyone is worried about his widow Sandhya, played by Sanya Malhotra. To our surprise, Sandhya is counting Facebook comments and wants to drink Coca-Cola.
तुम ऐसे क्यों बिहेव कर रही हो जैसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं?
What follows is full middle class shenanigans. Every character plays a pivotal role in the story and we are set for 2 hours of self-exploration. Let's have a look at the cast. Sanya Malhotra as Sandhya, Sayani Gupta as Akansha, Sheba Chadda as Usha, Astik's mother, Ashif Khan as Parchun, Ashutosh Rana as Shivendra Giri, Astik's father, Shruti Sharma as Nazia, Raghuveer Yadav as Roshan Sethi, Rajesh Tailang as Tarun Sethi, Meghna Malik as Tulika, Natasha Rastogi as Shruti, Sandhya's mother, Jameel Khan as Ghanshyam. काश देखो यार, फुल ऑन गोल्ड माइन है। हर कैरेक्टर के अलग अलग नखरे हैं, अलग अलग मोटिवेशंस हैं। द मिडिल क्लास शेनानिगन्स को शोकेस करने का परफेक्ट मीडियम है ये एपिक कास्ट। पहली बार नजर उतारने का पूरा प्रोसीजर दिखाया गया है ऑन स्क्रीन। ड्रॉप अ कमेंट अगर मम्मी ने कभी आपकी नजर भी उतारी है मिर्च राई वगैरह लेकर। आई पर्सनली लव्ड दिस सीन। घर बाहर की गॉसिप, खुसुर फुसुर, डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स दैट यू गेट टू सी, स्पेशली इन द इंश्योरेंस वाला सीन।
उन्होंने 50 लाख का इंश्योरेंस करवाया था। सिंगल नॉमिनी है उनकी धर्मपत्नी संध्या गिरी।
एंड अ डोरबेल जिसमें ऊलाला बजता है। तो टिपिकल मिडिल क्लास फैमिली थिंग्स which will keep you entertained throughout the movie. Everyone has done a great job but Sheba Chadda steals the show. गीता में कहा गया है कि संतान की मृत्यु के बाद माँ सबसे ज्यादा रोती है, and Sheba Chadda's performance proved it. The way she cries on screen, you can literally feel her pain and just want to console her and tell her that it's going to be all right. Please don't cry. Before we move on, this video is dedicated to the 322 awesome subscribers and the million and billions we are going to join my pursuit very, very soon. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Next target is 1000 subscribers. As you know, currently I'm not allowed to go to theaters. हाय रे मेरी किस्मत। But Netflix का benefit ये है कि I can pause and make notes. इसलिए reviews will be more deeper. Like today. Usually I'm spot on with my predictions, but today I was wrong. I was predicting from the trailer a lesbian angle between Sayani Gupta and Sanya Malhotra, but a very smart twist at just 24 minutes into the movie got me super interested. The pace of the movie is phenomenal. You have the same questions and start feeling the same emotions that Sandhya is feeling, and everything seems relatable. Slowly things get revealed and it is so entertaining. My favorite line from the movie was, बिना प्यार के शादी करना ऐसा है जैसे खाने के पहले मीठा खा लिया हो। वाह। By the time we reached the last 30 minutes, the screenplay had got me so hooked that I was like a puppet in the hands of the director. He could literally make me feel anything he wished. The payoff was fantastic. I have a silly rule that a good movie should make me cry, and the climax certainly did that. मेरी एक ही तमन्ना थी that I wanted to see her husband, like who her husband was, but अच्छा वो reveal नहीं किया. I like the mystery of who Astik was. This movie marks Arijit Singh's debut as a composer, and the songs do not make you hum, but they go well with what's happening on the screen. So who should watch this movie? If you want to see a simple middle class coming of age story that is relatable in many ways, This movie fits the bill. Paglet made me realize that कितनी सारी स्टोरियाँ छुपी हुई हैं हमारे इन सो कॉल्ड सिंपल बोरिंग लाइव्स में कि उनको एक्सप्लोर करना कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Credit goes to director Umesh Bist for creating a great entertaining film. That was the in-depth review and analysis of the movie Paglet. Guys, drop a comment and let me know how did you find it. Last but not the least, do subscribe to Bash Pursue. See you guys in the next video. Tab tak ke liye stay tuned, stay safe, keep watching Bash Pursue because I like it.